Good afternoon, dear students. Today we will start our third lesson, that is MS PowerPoint Graphics and Multimedia. Okay, so let us start. We'll read that dialog boxes. So, first one is, Dear teacher, is there a way to insert graphical objects in PowerPoint slides to make the presentation more effective? Now, teacher is replying, Dear students, let us learn the steps to insert graphical objects in the slides. Okay, so dear children, that students are asking to the teacher that there are any methods to insert some graphical objects in the PowerPoint slides. Okay, after inserting that graphical elements in that PowerPoint slides, our presentation will look more effective. So the teacher is saying, yes, let us learn that steps to insert the graphical elements or graphical objects in the PowerPoint slides. Okay children, so let's start. So we'll read the first paragraph, that is, in the previous chapter you learned about various slide views of PowerPoint and their uses. Let us now learn about slide layouts and how to insert graphics and other objects in the slides to enhance our presentation. So dear children, so earlier lesson you have learned the various slide views of PowerPoint, right? So and also their uses. Now we are going to learn the slide layouts as well as the graphics and objects, how to insert in the slides to make our presentation very attractive. Okay, now let us see what is mean by slide layouts. Okay, so you know that slide layout is the arrangement of all the objects on a slide. Slide layouts can contain formatting of text. Okay, formatting of text means what? In it, including body text, bulleted list and titles, tables, charts, smart art graphics, pictures, online pictures and video. Yes, dear students, so using the different slide layouts, we can insert videos, audios, pictures, graphs, maps, charts, etc. in a presentation. Okay, so there are 9 basic slide layouts in MS PowerPoint 2013. So you can see, let us have a look on all the 9 slide layouts. So first one is title slide. You can see that small pictures at right side of that content. Yes, so title slide, this is used at the starting of your presentation. Yes, means the starting page of your PowerPoint presentation will present the title of your presentation. For that, we are going to use title slide layout. Okay, then title and content. What's mean by title and content layout? Let us see. This is a default and most commonly used slide layout. It is used to give topic and its content. Here, title means what? You will write the name of your presentation, and content means what? You can add that pictures, audios, videos, charts, etc. Okay, dear students. Now the next third slide layout is section header. You can see that section header, that third one, right? So this slide type is used to separate different sections of the same presentation rather than using an additional title slide. It can also be used as an alternate to the title slide layout. Yes, ये जो title slide है वो एक alternative है section header का. उसमें भी आप लोग title and subtitle डाल सकते हो. I hope you all are understanding. Let us move further. That is, the fourth one is to content. Okay, so this slide layout is used if you wish to show text in addition to a graphic content type. To content means what? Two sections will come. In one section you will write information, and in another section you will put the picture of that information. Understanding? Now the fifth one slide layout is comparison. So it is similar to the to content slide layout, but this slide type also includes a heading text box over each type of content. जैसे कि हम लोग comparison table बनाते हैं as it is. Okay, सो दिस टाइप ऑफ स्लाइड लेआउट इज यूज टू, ये किसके लिए यूज होते हैं? सो compare two types of the same content type, for example two different charts, okay, like pie chart and bar chart. For that purpose, to show difference in between them, we can use the comparison slide layout. Okay, now the second bullet point is about show text in addition to a graphic content type. We can also show the graphic content also using the comparison slide layout. Now the sixth one type is title only. Yes, you can use it at the beginning of your presentation. So this slide layout is used if you want to place only a title on the page rather than a little and a little title or and a subtitle. You can then insert other types of objects such as clip art, word art, pictures or charts if desire. It require if you require, you can add that pictures and charts also. Now the seventh slide layout is blank. A blank slide layout is often used when a picture or other graphic objects that need no further information will be instructed to cover the whole slide. Blank slide means nothing on it, only a simple blank page. Okay, now the eighth one is content with caption. So this layout is used to place content, most often a graphic object such as a chart or a picture, on the right side of the slide. The left side is used for a title and text to describe the topic or object. इसका मतलब यह है कि एक एक कोई भी पिक्चर और उसके बारे में उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन. सो इट for that purpose we can use content with caption slide layout. Now the ninth one slide layout is picture with caption. Okay, so the right part of the slide is used for place a picture. Okay, और जो content with caption था उसमें क्या है, तो graphic object chart और picture रहेगा और right side में उसकी information. Same here, you can add some picture and at left side you can write a title or a text to describe the topic or a picture. So let us see how to use the title and content layout. Okay, so using title and content layout, inserting the different content on this slide. First of all, what we have to do, open MS PowerPoint and take a blank presentation, a new presentation of single slide with title slide layout appears. Now the second is, on the home tab in the slides group, click on layout button, a list of slide layout appears. Okay, then you will click on title and content layout. First of all, what we have to do, open MS PowerPoint application. In it, click on blank presentation, that will be open on your window screen. Then after file tab there is a home tab, go through that. In that it will display the slide group, click on that and that slide group will show us the layout button. Then from that layout you can select which slide layout you want to select for your presentation, or you can insert a new slide of title and content layout. You can see below some pictures are there. So third point is, there are some iconic images at the center of the content area. These are the links to insert objects. तो कौन से objects हम लोग title slide में insert कर सकते हैं, ओके या फिर स्लाइड लेआउट में इंसर्ट कर सकते हैं. सो दैट कैन बी टेबल, चार्ट, स्मार्ट आर्ट ग्राफिक, पिक्चर, ऑनलाइन पिक्चर एंड वीडियो एटसेट्रा in the slide. Okay, so you can see that pictures that are the layouts different. After putting that, we can select the content which you want to insert in a particular presentation slide. Now let us start inserting the objects in the slide using these icons. Following steps are in continuation with inserting the title and content slide in the presentation. So here it's selected title and content slide layout in the presentation. Okay, next is how to insert a table. Okay, we'll see that how to insert a table. You know that tables are used to present given data in the form of rows and columns. Tables में क्या रहते हैं? Yes, columns and rows रहते हैं, right? So it is very useful in organizing and presenting the data in an effective way. The steps to insert a table on the slides are after the first three steps. तो वो first three steps कौन से हैं? Yes. First of all, click on MS PowerPoint, then go to the blank presentation, then go to the home tab, and in that select the layout, right? Then on the title and content slide layout, click on table icon. Yes, here you can see insert table, right? So after clicking on that, it will open the table dialog box. Then enter the required number of columns and rows and click on OK. So after opening that insert table, it will ask you number of columns 4 and number of rows 5. So here it will display the table, right? One note is given. Alternatively, click on insert tab. In tables group, click on table button, insert table option from the list. ठीक है, instead of selecting home tab and in a slides or in a slide layout in a table option, you can directly go to the insert tab. From the tables group, you can select the table and you can insert the table also. Okay, after selecting table, in that ribbon it will open up the design tab. In design tab, you can see many different types of colored table styles are there, so you can select whichever you want. Okay students, now one activity is given. Do it yourself. Open MS PowerPoint 2013 and do the following as per the guidelines given below. Insert a table of 6 rows and 3 columns in the slide. Merge the first row in a one cell and enter the following text in it. Top 5 tennis players, and in the second row given column heading, player name, country and ranking. Make a list of top 5 tennis players in the world and select the table and apply a design. So what you will do for this? First of all, open MS PowerPoint, then go to the insert tab, select tables. In it, select 6 rows and 3 columns. Okay, in a first row in a cell, you will merge it and you will write the tennis players. Okay, in a second row you will write कॉलम हेडिंग कौन से रहेंगे, प्लेयर नेम रहेगा, मतलब जो पहले का हेडिंग रहेगा A1 B1 C1, उसको मर्ज करके तुम लोग डालोगे टॉप 5 टेनिस प्लेयर्स. In a first column you will write the name of a player, in a second column you will write country, and in a third you will write ranking. Okay, after making that list, okay, you will select a table and you will apply a design, right? So this is how you will complete the table. I hope you all understanding. Yes. Okay, now next point is inserting a chart. Yes, in a PowerPoint presentation slides, you can also insert some charts. Charts can be in any charts, that are column charts, bar charts, right? Also, you can insert pie chart also. There are different types of charts available, right? So, a chart is the pictorial or graphical form to present the data when you need to describe the relation between two or more sets of values in your presentation. Charts are your best option. Yes, if you want to present some important thing, okay, if you want to present some important topic, you can take a help of charts. Okay, the steps to insert a chart in the slide are, तो जो पहले के 3 steps है, same. Open MS PowerPoint, select blank presentation, select the title and content layout, and then you can select, click on chart icon. कहाँ पर है वो? Yes, here it is. Insert picture, insert table, insert chart. दिखा? Yes, after clicking on that, it will open this type of ribbon, right? Charts का. So step number 4 is on title and content slide layout, click on chart icon, or on insert tab in illustration group, click on chart button. Okay, तो वो चार्ट बॉक्स appear हो जाएगा. Then उसके लिए आप लोगों को एक टेबल सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, राइट? हियर इट्स शोज category 1 to 4, then that are series 1 2 3. So this is how chart can be created. Okay, so fifth one step is select the chart type. उसके बाद आप लोगों को chart type select करना पड़ेगा. Okay, so for example here it shows the column chart and you can see the column chart, right? That pillars. So the chart is display with a data sheet, और वो data sheet के साथ display होगा. For example like this. Okay, so seventh one step is change the default data to change the data in the sheet and do the following. Then you can write or you can type your data and that will be applied in that chart. Okay, so next is click on a cell and type the new data. उसके बाद you can replace that data and you can put that in your chart. So it shows press down arrow key and type diesel. So this is how you can type the information that can be applied in that particular chart. So as you change the data in a data sheet, the column in the charts changes accordingly after entering the data. Then उसके बाद टेबल फिल करने के बाद you can close the data sheet, right? Then formatting a chart. Once the chart is inserted in the slide, it can be formatted by changing the title, bar colors, line colors, border style, data series, etc. Okay, you can see the design. You can make it in a different color, in a different format, right? Then do it yourself. Notice given, open MS PowerPoint 2013 and do the following as per the guidelines given below. So insert a 3D pie chart. Use the data you used in the inserting chart topic in this book. So this is how you can apply the tables. Okay, in that you can fill the information, you can select the chart. Okay, whichever chart you require, right? You can give some designs, some styles, and this is how you can insert the chart in your PowerPoint presentation. I hope you all have understand, right students? Okay then, thank you students, have a nice day. Please complete your homework and send it to me on my personal number. Take care.